Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the delay in the series. So let's start with new series without wasting any time. The concept of priority sector lending was emphasized as a part of which banking reform initiative? Answer is C. Economic liberalization of 1990s. Which public sector bank was created through merger of smaller banks as a part of consolidation process? Answer is D. Union Bank of India. Which act was amended in 1993 to enhance the powers of the Reserve Bank of India over banks and improve regulatory oversight? Answer is A. Banking Regulation Act. Which Indian Prime Minister was responsible for the major economic reforms of 1990s including the banking sector reforms? Answer is D. P.V. Narasimha Rao. What was the significant policy change introduced in the banking sector as a part of 1991 economic reforms? Answer is B. Deregulation of interest rates. Which bank was those among those nationalized in 1969 but was later merged with another bank? Answer is D. Allahabad Bank, then merged with the Indian Bank in 2020. Which government body was primarily responsible for overseeing the implementation of bank nationalization in India? Answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. What major shift occurred in the Indian banking sector following the 1991 reforms? Answer is B. Increase emphasis on private sector banking and foreign investment. Which of the following was a major banking sector reform introduced in late 1990s? Answer is B. Introduction of the Basel II norms. Which banking reform was aimed at ensuring banks had adequate capital to support their risk-taking activities? Answer is B. Basel I norms. Which act passed in 1980 was crucial in second phase of nationalization of banks? Answer is C. Banking Companies Acquisition and Transfer of Undertaking Act. Which committee's recommendation led to significant reforms in the Indian banking sector in 2004? Answer is B. Y.H. Melagam Committee. Then what was the one of the major objective of Narasimha Committee's recommendation in the second part of 1998? Answer is B. Strengthening the capital adequacy norms for the banks. Which initiative was taken to improve the asset quality of banks to manage non-performing assets? Answer is A. Formation of asset reconstruction companies. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.